Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I will discuss one interesting property about conversion of list and string. Okay, so in my previous video I have discussed that dot split method is used to convert a sentence or a string to list. Okay, if we know the delimiter we can easily do that. Okay, and to convert one list to string we have to use join method, right? Now I am going to discuss, if you are having a string, how you can form a list of characters using that particular string. Okay, suppose I am having l equal to welcome to Python. Okay, if I write l and run, see welcome to Python, you will be getting. Now suppose what it will happen if you apply split w equal to l dot split. Okay, and what is this splitting? That is with a space. Okay, now w, if I write run, see welcome to Python. So this is splitting according to words. But suppose you want to form a list using this string where the list elements will be w, then e, then l, then c, then o, like that. That means characters. So in that case, to help us in Python, the inbuilt function which is available, that is list. Okay, so inside list you need to pass the string which you want to convert to character array. Now if I print e, see what we will be getting: w e l c o m e, then space, then t, then o, then again space, then p y t h o n. That means characters we are getting. And now in this particular list which is formed by the characters of the string l, you can apply any list operation on this particular list, right? Like I can write e dot reverse. Okay, sorry. Now if I print e, see how we will be getting. See, print e, NOHTYP, that is Python in reverse way. In reverse way we are getting. Now suppose you want to merge this particular e, what you can do? Very simple. We can use, to go from list to string, we know that we have to use join method. So ES equal to, first we have to give using what we can join, using what delimiter we have to join. Now in this case delimiter, there is space is also present inside this, right? So no need to specify something other thing, just simply write join then e. Okay, now if I print yes, see what we will be getting. See, welcome to Python, but it is in reverse way. Okay, so like that you can, this is one of the simplest way to convert a string to a character list. Okay, and using this concept you can simply reverse a string. Okay, as I have shown you. Now this reversing a string is very important concept for solving a very popular problem, and that is palindrome. Okay, so suppose you have this particular question: determine whether an integer is palindrome or not. An integer is palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. Okay, that means suppose 121, you read from the forward direction, you read from the backward direction, same thing, so output should be true. You read minus 121, you read from forward direction, you will be reading minus 121. You read from backward, you will be getting 121 minus. Both are not same, output should be false. You read 10 10, that is 10 from left to right, right to left, not same, so output should be false. Okay, like that. Okay, so how you can write the code? Very simple. What we will do, we will convert this particular integer to string, and then we will reverse the string, and we will check whether the reversed string and the original string are same or not. If they are same, that means palindrome, else not palindrome. As simple as that, right? So let me write the code here. So we have to write the function code. So def is palindrome, x return type is boolean. Now what you can do? Simple. First of all, so convert the integer into string. Okay, so for that, as you know that str is present in Python to convert anything to string. So now e is having the string representation of the integer. Now what we can do, as I have told you, we will split that into list of a equal to list of e. Then I will reverse the list. I have already discussed that reverse method is present in list to reverse it, right? So reverse, okay, a dot reverse, as soon as you have done, a will be reversed. Now using this reverse version, we will be forming one new string. So w equal to bracket open, bracket close, sorry, quotation open, quotation close, that may be single quotation, double quotation, then join a, okay, then we got our reverse string. Now we have to just simply compare. So our original string was e. If e equal to reverse version, that is w, if that is satisfied, then that means those are palindrome numbers. So return true, else return false. Okay, so let us check whether our code is working or not. So this is list is very important. It will help you to apply all the methods present in list in case of string. Okay, so this will be helpful in solving lots of competitive programming too. So that I am showing you one example also. See, for 121 output is true, expected is also true, so it is status is accepted. Now if I submit the code, let us check whether it is passing all the test cases or not. So see, status is success, that means it has successfully implemented on all the test cases. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, how to use list method to convert a string to character list. Okay, this is very important. This is all for my this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos related to Python programming and other programming language like MATLAB and some EC related subject, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like, share and comment if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.